guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, hello, this is Antaripa, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. As you all have read by the title of this video, in today's video I'm going to show you all how I achieved this look right here using products under rupees 500, and these products are not only just affordable but also of really good quality. I really love using those, and yes, you can create your very own beginner's makeup kit using these products only. So without further ado, let's get started.
Starting off with Insight HD Face Primer. This primer will make sure that my makeup stays intact throughout the day. Using a good primer will not only make your makeup long lasting but also flawless. For my eyebrows, I'll be using the Insight Eyebrow Pencil. It has spoolie at one end and eyebrow pencil at another. I'll be drawing my eyebrows using the same, and it will make my eyebrows look more defined. I really like the natural finish that it gives to my eyebrows. You can clearly see the difference between my both eyebrows. Moving on to my base makeup, I'll be using the HD foundation by Insight Cosmetics, and I really love the full coverage that this foundation gives me. It's a really affordable foundation, and the finish that it gives is really amazing. Moving on, I'll be using the Insight HD Concealer in the shade LNP 15. It comes with a doe foot applicator like so. I apply it on the areas which I want to be concealed, like my under eyes, around my mouth, and it really conceals my dark circles and dark spots well. This concealer is really affordable, and the finish it gives is really amazing as it's full coverage. For my blush, I'll be using the Insight blusher in the shade Raspberry Gelato, and let me tell you, this blush is the best I have ever tried, and the pigmentation is just amazing, the shade is amazing, and everything about this blush is just perfect. This blush is super creamy and it blends in my skin like a dream, and it complements my skin tone perfectly. For my eyeliner, I'll be using the Liner Express by Insight Cosmetics. It really makes the application easy. Now to add some volume to my lashes, I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. For my lip color, I have two options. I'll be going in with the Insight Matte Lip Ink in the shade Bougie. It's super lightweight, sits comfortably on my lips, and is smudge proof. It's a perfect nude shade for everyday wear. And that's it. This is how my look turned out, and I really love it.
Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. If you did, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.